how you can expand your RAM for best performance by increasing the virtual memory on your PC. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is go on the search bar and look for About Your PC. So once you're in the About section here, you can see your installed RAM. It could be anywhere from 4 GB, 8 GB, or even 32 GB. Now what you need to do is click on the Advanced System setting on the bottom of this section, and inside here you have to go on the Advanced section and click on Settings under Performance, which describes visual effects, processor scheduling, memory uses, and virtual memory. Inside the settings you have to select Advanced Options, and inside Advanced Options you have to click on Change under Virtual Memory. So here you have to uncheck this box that says Automatically Manage Paging Files, and once you've done that you have to click on Custom Size. Here you will be given two boxes to enter the initial file size and the maximum size. Entering the correct value here is very important, so I made a little note for you to figure the correct value according to your installed RAM size. Now let's take a look at it. So for initial size RAM, you have to multiply your current RAM by 1.5, and for maximum size RAM, you have to multiply by 3.0. But before doing so, you have to convert your installed RAM into MB, which can be done by multiplying your installed RAM by 1024. Here I'm going to show you an example of it. Here you can see that my installed RAM is 16 GB. So first of all, I have to convert it into MB. In order to do so, I have to multiply 16 GB by 1024, which will be 16,384 MB. Now, in order to customize the size into initial size and maximum size, I have to multiply it respectively. So for the initial size, I have to multiply 16,384 by 1.5, which will be 24,576. And again, for the maximum size RAM, I have to multiply 16,384 by 3.0, which will be 49,152. Now I have to insert these values in its respective boxes. I have entered the value now, so I can close this box. Here, after you've entered the value, you can click on Set and then OK. Once you've done that, it will be required for you to restart your computer in order to save the changes. Now you just have to click on OK and then restart your computer. After that, you can see that your RAM has been increased. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful.